How do I activate the reverse camera on my MacBook Air?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be exploring how to activate the reverse camera on your MacBook Air. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, MacBooks, including the MacBook Air, don't come with a built-in reverse camera. Instead, they have a front-facing camera intended for video calls and photos. However, there are ways to mimic a rear-facing camera by using software and hardware solutions. Let's dive right in.
What tools do I need?
For this video, we'll need a few things. Your MacBook Air. This is, of course, the essential part of the setup. An external webcam. Since MacBook Air doesn't come with a built-in reverse camera, we'll need an external camera. This can be any USB webcam that is compatible with macOS. Software for managing the camera. We'll be using software to control the webcam. There are multiple choices available, such as OBS Studio, which is free and available for macOS.
How to set up the external webcam?
First, you'll need to set up your external webcam. 1. Plug in the webcam into an available USB port on your MacBook Air. 2. Position the camera where you want it, essentially where it can act as a reverse camera. 3. Once your camera is plugged in and positioned, open your camera software. In OBS Studio, you would add a new video capture device from the Sources panel and select your webcam from the list.
How do I use the external webcam as a reverse camera?
With your external webcam set up and ready, you can use it just like you would any other camera. 1. Open the software that you want to use the reverse camera with. This could be a video conferencing app like Zoom or Skype, or something like Photo Booth if you want to take a photo. 2. Go into the settings of the software and find the camera settings. 3. Select your external webcam as the camera to use. Now, your software should be using the external webcam, effectively giving your MacBook Air a reverse camera. And that's how you can mimic a reverse camera on your MacBook Air. While it's not a built-in feature, with an external webcam and a little bit of setup, you can effectively use a rear-facing camera. We hope this video was helpful, and please feel free to reach out with any questions. Thanks for watching.